Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to sow a lot of seeds in the polytunnel, but first let's have a wee update. Right, so let's go for a couple of courgettes. So I'll stick them. So if you get one plant, get the two. I'll be happy. Courgettes in there. Then some cucumbers. So they're good until 12th of this year. Put a few of these in. Could do 6 pots worth. Two seeds in that one. See how they germinate. The variety of them is Market More. Did grow these outside a couple of years ago and they've done very well, so they're quite hardy to the weather. What else are we going to sow? Leeks. Do a couple of pots of these. I've done them in the last couple of years and I've not had great results on them. I'm going to put a lot in. See how they go. What have we got? It's a beetroot. Yeah, the sweet corn. I wasn't going to bother with sweet corn this year. I found this packet. It's got 3 seeds in it, which isn't ideal for sweet corn, but Stick them in. And even though I've got some of these ground in the windowsill at home, tomatoes, me Herman having a bit of backup. Stick it in there for that. And then I don't know if these are an annual or not. Yeah, it's used with this year as well. This is garlic chives. So give them a good watering. Have a good evening. Bye.